This is code.org. Let's see what we have. Take a closer look at the code below. What do you think will happen when you click run? Keep in mind, if you pick an answer and click run, it submits to your teacher. If I'm your teacher, it submits to me. So, and you won't be able to change it. Think about this along with me and think critically. All right, so let's see. When run, repeat until you get to the pig. All right, so now I'm going to repeat, obviously, until I get to, well, shockingly, the pig. So this is true, right? Am I at the pig? Nope. So I need to do this. Do this. So as long as this is occurring, am I at the pig currently? Nope. So I have to go here. While there is path ahead, move forward. Well, what will I do? Okay, well, is there path ahead? Yep, I'm going to move forward. I hit the bottom of this pink mouth thing, this wall to path ahead thing, and it goes up, check again, zoop, back to the top. Is there path ahead of me? Well, there would be. This is true again, and it goes do this, move forward. Bam, hits, zoop. Is there path ahead? There would be. Hits the bottom, zoop. Is there path ahead? Yep, and I jump here. Zoop. Is there path ahead now when I'm here? False. This is now not true. There's no path ahead. So I just drop below and run the next line of code. Turn left. And my character will turn left. I hit the bottom of this bigger pink mouth thing. Zoop. Am I at a pig right here? Nope. Okay, I go back inside. Do this. I'm not at the pig yet. While there's path ahead. Well, I'm facing this way now, so boop. Zoop. Is there path ahead? Yep. Zoop. Is there path ahead? Yep. And I'll move forward and forward. And then finally, is there path ahead if I'm here? No, that's false. So I fall beneath it. I turn left, facing this way. Hit the bottom. Am I at the pig? Nope. Go forward. I think I'll get this pig. The bird will not move. The bird will make it to the pig. I'm going with that one. Let's see. Now make sure you're really thinking critically about this. This is important concepts. And if you're not fully getting this, pause, go back and listen to me walk through it again. This is foundational stuff and you really need to understand this, not just get the answer. Onward.